Saxon Phonics, Lesson 30, and this is Assessment 5. Look at your paper and go to Section 1. Let's spell some words. I will say a word. The first word is big. Write the letter that makes each sound in big on line 1. Big. B, I, G. B, I, G. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. Number 2, ran, ran. R, a, n. R, a, n. Number 3, go, g, o. G, o. Number 4, sit, sit. S, I, t. Sit. S, I, t. Number 5, land, land. L, a, n, d. L, and, d. If you need more time on Section 1, pause the video now. Look at Section 2. Look at the letter by number 6. Draw a line from the letter to its key word picture. Then do the same with 7. Balloon, cat. If you need more time on Section 2, pause the video now. Section 3. Put your finger on number 8. Encode the word so. S-O. S-O. Remember, if it says its name, put a straight line above it. If it does not say its name and it's a short vowel, put a breve above it. S-O. Number 9, brass. Br, a, s. Number 10, plant. Pl, a, nt. Pl, a, nt. Number 11, fist. 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 If you need more time, pause the video now. Section 4. Look at the blend by number 12. Draw a line from the blend to its picture. Gl, gl. 13, gr, gr. If you don't know one, you can skip it and come back to it. Number 14. Sk. Sk. Number 15. Kla. 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 Number 16. Kr. 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 If you need more time, pause the video now. Section 5. Look at the sentences by 17 and 18. Read the sentences and draw a line from one of the sentences to the picture it matches. If you need to code any words to help you figure out how to sound them out, you may do that, but you do not need to code. 17 says, a cat is fat. 18 says, Don has a dog. If you need more time, pause the video now. Section 7. Read this sight word for me. Go through this with your parent and guardian. If they get it right, put a check mark. If they get it wrong, please put an X or leave it blank. Resume the video when you're ready. Section 7. I will say some words. Tell me the sound you hear in the initial position. Bite, bug, boat. Bite, bug, boat. Have your parent or guardian mark the paper as noted on the slide. Resume the video when you're ready. Tell me the name of this letter and the sound it makes. Go through this section with a parent or guardian. Look at the letter by number 24. What is that letter? And what sound does it make? Then do the same for 25.